me acting like it's super early, but it's literally 7 a.m. But it's moving day. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is Bloom. I've actually mentioned these in an earlier video because I just want to stress that this year we are not being run down. Like, we are not being run down at school. My #1 priority is going to be my health. I literally cannot get as sick as I did last year. Like, that would be just like my #1 tip for literally anyone going into university. Stay on track of your health. That means like finding easy ways to get greens in because greens are so good for your digestion. Bloom has over 30 organic fruits and vegetables and antioxidants and probiotics. They're gonna help your skin, your energy levels, like your digestion. If you get bloated a lot, this really helps me. I currently have the mango flavor. This tastes so good. Like, I look forward to this every single morning. I have this before I eat one little sliver of food. Like, I make sure I just get all of my greens in first, and I have this as part of like my morning health routine checklist. But this just makes it so easy, especially in university when you have to wake up early. You don't really feel like eating a bunch of kale in the morning. This gives you just a super easy way to get your greens in. It's just a powder, mix it with water. This tastes really good because it actually is sweetened. Like, it's sweetened with stevia leaf extract, which is a natural sweetener, and it's not like sucralose or aspartame or any of those sweeteners that can bother your stomach and are actually not that good for you. So I just feel so good about drinking this every morning. If you guys want to check out Bloom, I will have them linked down below, but I need to go now. We are not going to talk about how dirty my hair is. Do not look at that. No, I can't. My room is kind of empty right now. This shelf we packed up. Also, my closet is basically empty, but something that I do have to reorganize and declutter and pack, my necklaces. I have so many that I don't wear anymore, and I need to just go through all of them and get rid of some. And I'm also just going to literally bring these to school because they're actually really good decor too. And I love wearing jewelry, as you guys know, so I'm going to go through all of these and get rid of the ones that are rusty and crusty and that I don't wear. Kills me to pack my iPad in here because I need it for the to-do list tomorrow, but I'm like, you know what, you can go one day without using a digital planner. And I'm basically just packing like all of the bags that I want to have there, like my little coffee shop bag, my duffel bag, and my backpack with all the things that are basically gonna go in my room. Then I'm just gonna pack all the tech stuff in here, like Apple Watch charger, phone charger. Packing all of my tech stuff, and I'm putting it in this cute little makeup bag that I got from Benefit. Vlog camera battery, tripod connector, big camera battery charger, lens cleaner, big camera lens, which my big camera's upstairs, this attachment for my light, other camera batteries, and then the rest are actually charging right here. I just don't know if I should just take this whole bit. No, I shouldn't. Apple Watch band, screen cleaner, adapter for laptop. Do I need a nail? No. Oh, that was my nail. Okay, As you can tell by my little appearance right now, I have been very tired today. I got such bad sleep yesterday. So tonight, my plan is to have an everything shower. Like, look at my hair. Actually, do not look at my hair. I need to shower. I'm going to just have an everything shower and have a really relaxing night because for the past 3 nights, I haven't been able to sleep, but I'm really excited to go. Like, Liv and Aaliyah, they're like stressed, but I'm not that stressed for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's because I moved so many times, but I'm going to have an everything shower and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Oh my gosh, I cannot stop sneezing today. Like, oh my god. I'm literally not sick. Maybe it's just because I haven't been getting sleep. Okay, guys. Oh, there's no way I'm going back to school. We need to have a whole talk because this is not happening. Okay, so we're taking 2 cars. My mom has her car packed and my mom and dad are both coming in her car, and then we have my car. Honestly, I used to have like literally 20 boxes of everything that I owned for my apartment, but now I only have 8, I would say, like 8 big pieces of stuff, which including all of my organization stuff and shelves and kitchen stuff, that's pretty good. Like, I think you guys will notice that today I'm bringing only the necessities, and then I'm going to, probably at Thanksgiving or something, a few weeks into school, I'm going to come back here and then pick up some decor because my room is going to be so not decorated right now. Like, I hope you guys know this is not the finished product, but I just texted Liv and Aaliyah that I'm leaving, and Liv stayed the night in Waterloo, so she picked up the keys for us, and we're gonna get a good parking spot outside of this building because there's gonna be a kajillion people rustling and bustling. I don't know if that's a word. So, how are we all doing? The only thing is I low-key can't check my blind spot, but that's okay. Every day comes with challenges. I have been listening to the Pretty Basic podcast actually religiously. Like, I hope you guys know this is my comfort podcast now. Like, I listen to it in the shower, while I'm getting ready, while I'm driving. Like, I think it's just because it's such like a down-to-earth podcast. Like, they talk about things that my friends and I would just talk about and literally just ramble on and make jokes, and they're so funny. Like, I can't say enough nice things about them. My goal in life is to meet Alicia. I feel like that just needs to happen because she was like my #1 inspiration as a teen. But I knew that I wanted to film this, one, so that I could just have you guys included in literally everything that I'm doing at university, and 2, so that I can look back at this for memories. I'm sure Liv and Aaliyah will want to look back at this. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna be playing Pretty Basic, and then Madison Beer Spinnin'. Her album comes out. I think it'll be out by the time I upload this video. And I'm going to the Tate McRae concert. Should I vlog that? I don't know, let me know. I love driving in the morning when it's so chill. I think most people moved in on the 1st and the 2nd. Today's the 3rd, so hopefully it's not like a zoo down there. I am living closer to campus this year, so there might be a lot of people there. I saw this TikTok today, and it was about how Western University greets their first years, and it was like, Laurier does the same thing. They literally go, first years out the car, first years out the car. And I am so glad that I didn't live in res for that first year, because I would have been traumatized. Like, I was already nervous for the day. I did not want all that attention on me from all of these upper years singing first years out the car. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm going to start listening to some Madison Beer, and I'll see you guys when I get to my new apartment. Okay. We got the keys. Guys, we got the keys and our passes, our little parking passes. Hopefully my car doesn't get stolen this time. Yes.
There you go. Smile.
I'm helping so much. I'm emotional support. You say hi to the vlog. Guys, I'm dying.
No, I'm like not okay.
No, I can't be seen like this. So technically we got here and the room looks different than what I remember. I swear it was so much longer when I came here. I still like where the window is. And it's so hot, guys. Like, we're all dying. We realized the AC was off and it's like 30 degrees out today. But it's okay. We finished the shelf, and I'm actually gonna link these down below because they're so useful for all apartments. And I'm just gonna fill with my folding clothes. Guys, I'm a genius. Okay, so over there the closet looks a little bit Like, I don't really like how you can see all my stuff hanging and it's not that neat, and you know what I mean. So I was like, I wish we had a curtain. And I remember Liv brought her own shower curtain, so we're not using mine. So I was like, use my shower curtain for the closet. And there's already a rod there. So we're just gonna hang that and make it look a lot more clean. Okay, don't ask what these splatters are. There's probably paint, but we can't get them off. So. Right now we're setting up my bed. This actually has to be the comfiest part of the room, and I got new bedding from HomeSense and pillows. Oh, that's good. I got beige sheets so that when I self-tan, my sheets won't turn yellow. That's a good tip for everyone at home. This is my girl lunch. Wendy's taco salad with chili, salsa, and corn tortilla chips. Everyone knew that I was going to bring a galaxy light for the living room, and I also have one for my room because I literally feel like I'm not going to use the overhead light in my room at all. Wait, it's ugly. It's ugly. Living room. Yes. Yes. That actually took me like 20 minutes, but I got it. About this year.
We're not moving again.
Yeah, that was a lot work.
No.
Decor. Also,
Yeah, but
guys,
we love it.
I have a fake Stanley.
Yeah,
and my
she
mom
does.
calls it a family.
A family. She's a family girl.
This is my room now, but it's like not.
It is not finished.
Like, it's not done at all.
Everything's in here except for the decor.
Yeah.
I love it though.
It actually,
It's very
like,
you.
my
It's
bed
you.
looks kind of like
It is
cozy.
you.
I need to get my IKEA mirror, and I think I'm gonna put it over there.
Oh hey.
Oh, did you see these? I got coasters.
They're adorable. Look at these coasters.
Look at
Wait,
that
we need our
marble,
coffee
like,
table now. Literally marble.
Nice.
We need like.
They match our side table and our coffee table. Oh. Okay, so we thought we were gonna have a coffee table. Didn't really go as planned. But I got chicken and a potato. He's gonna eat like an apple. Should I eat my? Our rooms are like pretty done. We need to go to HomeSense and get some organizing stuff. And then we need to get groceries. And then we need to come back and get ready for festivities, even though I'm tired and I need coffee. So this is the bathroom so far.
It's a mess.
Okay, so this, and then toothpaste, natural soap, and then this is my drawer. Oh, don't look at it. And then this is cleaning. This is a shower curtain.
I got a lot of compliments on it. Here?
I think you should get an
Even the
affiliate
guys
link.
would like love it.
Wait a minute, who were you showering with?
No.
Oh, we changed the light bulbs in here so they would be white. Okay, so we're in pain.
Yeah, we're sweaty and pain.
I'm so tired too. I don't usually do this much physical activity in the day. So right now we're just building a shoe rack. Liv is out.
Who's we?
I'm giving
She took out the recycling.
Yeah, I threw the boxes. So I put it to that. We literally are like, we're staying here for the next 3 years. You have to know that this is not what it's gonna look like.
It's not decorated, we just got the basics in.
Basic bottom line. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far because I tried to keep it really realistic. Like I'm literally not staging anything. We're almost done.
Yeah,
Wait, it actually kind of looks cute here with this white light. Yeah. Guys, this is Brooke. This is Liv's friend. And they're putting up lights.
We are.
This is so good, guys. This is so good. It's the next day, and I kind of got my room set up like more than I showed you guys last time I vlogged, I think. So I'm gonna do a little room tour that's not that good. But guys, this is literally only like the essential stuff. Like I have no decor. So that's gonna be in a couple weeks when I can go back to my parents' house and get some decor. So basically, this is the front where I have just like hanging stuff. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with towels yet, but here's my closet. This used to be my shower curtain, but I don't really love this because the point was to like declutter it, but you can still see the clothes through it. But I think I'm gonna get a different one. But anyways, it works for now. And then I have my hanging, all my closet. Guys, this is probably all gonna change. And then I have all of these, which I'm gonna link these down below. This is really good for just like moving into dorms, and you can like basically adjust when you build them. You can like have different shelves, and like if you don't want to do one here, like you can kind of build it to what your space looks like. So here I have a bunch of storage. I didn't want to do like furniture storage. Like I kind of just wanted to do less permanent things and things that are going to be really easy to bring up and down because my apartment actually doesn't have an elevator. So we had to bring everything up the stairs. So these are really easy. Same jewelry holders. Not sure if I'm going to keep that there. My desk is right here. It's really hard to show with the backlight, but I basically have the same desk setup. This is from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. I obviously had to bring my galaxy light. I think I'm going to buy another one for the living room. And this is an IKEA mirror. I really have to clean it because that's not good. And then there's someone visiting here. Don't know who that is. Stranger. And then this is the nightstand that I had at my, I didn't bring it to my last apartment, but I had it in my first apartment, if you guys watched that. And then I have my little sunlight lamp and all my chargers. And my bedding is from HomeSense. It's from HomeSense, this is from HomeSense. The 2 pillow covers, HomeSense. He was in aisle 8 actually. So today, what I'm going to do is nothing. Because yesterday we went out after a full day of moving and it was really crazy. Oh, we also got a good grocery run, but we were actually dumb because we were like, oh, okay, we're gonna get groceries tomorrow. It's Labor Day today. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm really excited to keep filming everything, like my whole experience here, and keep filming with Evie back there. Yeah, you guys can check out my digital products on my Etsy shop, Actualizer Co. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.